Akiaria kigomano-ini kia mawakiri mwena wa gicua-ini, Mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga augite ungumania-ini ukoretwo ukiongerereka na mahinda utekung'ethanirwo naguo na njira iria yagiriire.
The reason our taxes and debts are rising while without commensurate impact on service delivery and the lives of our people is corruption.
Augite Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ndumiriri-ini yake kuri bururi mweri-ini wa 10 mwaka muthiru niaugire bururi uyu ni mani ukoretwo uking'etherwo ni ungumania na ona thengia ya andu gukorwo magitacukirio makinya. Raila augite ati ungumania no urongerereka.
Corruption has imposed our capacity, it has compromised our capacity to respond to terrorists.
Kahinda-ini o kau uria wari jaji munene Willy Mutunga uria ona kyo gwikinyitie kigomano-ini kiu augite ni hindi bururi ubatie gukorwo ukihimbiria kihoto ona kunyita mbaru aria mararwirira watho na kihoto kurugama.
It is despicable that in this country it is those that fight corruption, those that try to do the right thing, that are condemned. We must end this culture where the perpetrators become victims.
Mwena-ini wigie mathire guku bururi-ini, Raila ni amenereirie kuongerereka kwa mathire guku akiuga ni kurongerera thogora wa muturire undu uria urahinyiriria a Kenya.
Increasing public borrowing has resulted in undesirable fiscal consequences such as high interest rates, inflation, and overburdening future generations.
Maritie o me kigomano-ini kia mawakiri kia mwaka uyu mwena wa gicua-ini. Kigomano giki ni gia thiku 4. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ni njitagwo Inooro Wangui.